Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to find out the area of triangle BDC. So as you can see that we have been given a bigger triangle ABC. The vertices are such as A, B, and C. And we have been given a smaller triangle BDC, which is inside of the bigger triangle ABC. And there are some respective lengths that have been given to the sides. So the bigger triangle has got AB length as 10, BC length as 5, remaining AC length is 3P, which is a variable. Similarly, in the smaller triangle, we have been given BD is 2, BC is 5, and DC is P again. We cannot do much about it because area of triangle does require two sides and an angle, or it would require a base and a height, whichever way you have to find out. So you just have to be very clear about what does the area of triangle requires as calculating entities. So now we have been given that the angles that are equal. So I'm naming these two angles which are equal as alpha and alpha. But again, we have not been given the value of alpha, so we can't do much about it. Now we get to the idea of finding the area of triangle BDC. So first thing first, we will first check out the bigger triangle, and we will say that in the bigger triangle we have AB. So if you know the cosine rule, it states that in the cosine rule, it states that the side that you have to explore is equal to the b square plus c square, which is the square of the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus twice of the b times c and cos of the angle between them. So angle between them could be theta. I am just placing over here. This is the cosine rule. So we will apply this in the smaller triangle, first. So let's see. So p will be equal to, p square will be equal to 2 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 2 and 5, and then cos of alpha, which is the angle between them. So p square would ideally be equal to 4 plus 25 minus 2 to the 4 times 5 is 20 cos alpha, which is equal to 29 minus 20 cos alpha. This is the first equation, but clearly from this equation we can't take out anything. So we'll take help of the other equation. So let's see, in the bigger triangle ABC, what have we been given? 10 is one of the sides. So in order to calculate the other side, so we'll do 3p ka whole square is going to be 10 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 10 times 5 cos of, now it's 2 alpha. Okay, so 100 plus 25 minus 20 times 5 is going to be 100 cos 2 alpha and 9p square. Can we have the opportunity to convert this cos 2 alpha into the range of cos alpha? Can I have a formula for that? I can certainly. Cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So 125 minus 100 times 2 cos square alpha minus 1. So 125 minus 200 cos square alpha plus 100, which is going to be 225 minus 200 cos square alpha, 9p square. We are now going to go more comfortable because p square is now equal to this one and 9p square is equal to this part. There could be a possibility that we will be able to take out the cos of the alpha by simply equating the two variables p square, and here also we've got p square. Why shouldn't I multiply this p square by 9 to make it 9p square is equal to 9 9s are 81 and 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8 is going to be 26 minus 180 cos of alpha. Correct. Now I can equate the variables. So now this equation, which is second, this is first. First is equal to second because both have the same right hand sides, left hand sides. So now you have 261 minus 180 cos alpha equals to 225 minus 200 cos square alpha. Rearrange pretty quick, so I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be 200 cos square alpha, and then you have minus 225 plus 261 minus 180 cos alpha. Can we let cos alpha to be some variable x? So let's say that cos alpha we are letting x. Okay, guys. So now solve this. You will get 5 and you'll get 36 and 200 x plus 36 minus 180, not cos, now it is replaced by x, is equal to 0. Reduce the whole equation by 4. 4 nines are 36 and 4 times 50x and minus 45x. So this, I think this is x square, sorry guys, is equal to 0. We have a quadratic equation, pretty simple to solve. So we can just rearrange and write it down as 50x square minus 45x and plus 9 is equal to 0. 9 5s are 45. We need a 450 on multiplication, and on addition it should give you minus 45x. So 3 times 15 is 45. So I can just write down 50x square minus 30x minus 15x plus 9 is equal to 0. Quickly factorize 10 common, x common. We've got 5 x minus 3, and then minus 3 common. We have got 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. 10x minus 3 and 5x minus 3 are the two factors. X is equals to 3 over 10 or x is equals to 3 over 5. Put it, cos alpha is equals to 3 over 5 or 3 over 10. So if cos alpha is 3 upon 5, so we will take it as sine alpha. We have to find out, how do you find out sine alpha? So sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equals to 1. So cos square alpha will be 9 upon 25. So sine square alpha is going to be 1 minus 9 upon 25, which is going to be 16 over 25. So sine alpha is going to be 4 upon 5. You have got sine alpha, you have got sides across it, which is 2 and 5. Just find out the area. Area of triangle would be, area of triangle BDC is going to be half into AB sine alpha. Half into, you know that side A was 2, side B was 5. Side A was 2, B was 5, and you found out the 4 over 5 for the sine alpha. 2 cancel, 5 and 5 cancel. 4 unit square is the answer. Whatever unit is there, maybe centimeter, meter, whatever it is, you can just put it and just square it, you'll get the area. This is the right answer, guys. I hope you understood it. See you in the next session.